Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you why $100,000 Bitcoin is much closer than you might think. There's several reasons for this. One of them is called the Thanksgiving effect, and the other one has to do with the fact that Bitcoin is about to see a lot of gains because of inflation, and I think you need to know where Bitcoin is going by the end of this year so that you can be prepared for a major movement. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, but without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Before we get started, guys, I do want to mention that this channel and this video are sponsored by the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. If you want to learn everything you need to know about technical analysis in 45 videos and 15 hours of high-quality educational content to save you the time of trying to learn it on your own, I highly encourage you to check it out with the link in the description box down below. So one of our researchers, Taylor Shrum, tweeted this out this morning. Bitcoin Thanksgiving effect. Change percentage from November 25th to December 2nd each year has never been less than 3.68% higher for the last 6 years. You can see in 2015, the 7 days following Thanksgiving, Bitcoin rallied 13.35%. In 2016, 4.5%. 2017, 33%. 2018, 8%. 2019, 4%. And then last year, 4% as well. And the interesting thing is here, take a look at 2017. This is the only year of those 6 years where Bitcoin was heading towards the end of a major bull market. What are we doing right now? We are in the second part of a major bull market, the same place that we were relative to the 2017 bull market when we were sitting here in November of 2017. 2015, not at the end of a bull market. 2016, not at the end of a bull market. 2018, we're in a bear market. 2019, we're kind of in a bull market, but it doesn't really count. 2020, we're starting to get there, but we're not doing a whole lot. The only comparable year that we have in this 6-year data set is 2017, and in 2017, Bitcoin rallied 33%. Based on this trend, we should expect Bitcoin to continue rallying, and I think it's going to rally quite a bit, but here's another reason why. On the weekly chart, we have just had the highest weekly close in history at $66,000 on Bitcoin, and on top of that, right now, you can see that we are currently trading sideways. What do I mean by that? Why is that important? Well, there's something interesting that takes place right around this time period, right before you go into a major bull market, and you end the bull market, and that is Bitcoin will trade sideways for just a little bit before rallying quite a bit. You saw the same thing happen here in September of 13 and October of 17. And also take a look at this. There's only been 2 other times in history where Bitcoin has broken an all-time high, and it broke that all-time high with ferocity. But if you zoom in here to 2017, when Bitcoin first broke $1,200 in March, what happened? Bitcoin traded sideways beneath the all-time high for 2 months. In 2020, when we broke all-time high at 20K, what happened? We traded sideways beneath the all-time high for a month. What's happening now is we're actually trading upwards and to the right. This is the most bullish action that we have ever had while breaking a major all-time high on Bitcoin, and it gives me a lot of long-term bullishness and a lot of bullish sentiment. So let's go to full screen and let me break down what all this means. Bitcoin is very bullish right now. Plan B predicts a $98,000 Bitcoin within the next 14 to 15 days. He also predicts $135,000 by the end of this year, and many people that I respect and much of my analysis also points towards a $150,000 to $225,000 Bitcoin by the end of this cycle, which I believe will happen at some point during the first half of next year. I think that Bitcoin is going to have an explosive next 6 weeks, but I've got to be honest with you, I don't know that the next week or two are going to be all that bullish. I think that they might actually have a little bit of bearishness and sideways movement as we seem to be in a little bit of a boring stage of the market. But in general, I think the rest of this year is going to be very bullish, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on all of that in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We just passed 200K subs, and we want to hit 250 by the end of the year. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely consider subscribing because we're trying to help you become financially free in these cryptocurrency markets. And also, consider following us on Twitter @CryptoJebb for more updates on the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Peace.